Hey, welcome back. In today's video, we are trying to explain the span direction in the floor. What does that span direction mean? Okay, so let's go to the floor, level 1 and then floor. Create a floor here. Let's have a floor like this. And don't forget to change this to this concrete with 50 millimeter metal deck. So it will show how it's what I mean. Okay, let's go with the finish edit mode. Okay, so let's have a section here. I'm going to have a section in in one direction. It doesn't matter in which one. Maybe let's add another section so I can explain something for you. So as you can see, when I select this, I go to the edit boundary. Everything is true except this two line. What is this? This is the span direction we have. So it specifies a boundary line of a structure floor to which metal decks will run parallel. Okay, which the metal decks will run parallel to this line. Okay, and it says that the span direction symbol is placed with a structural floor. It's actually added with the structural floor, the metal deck, and its symbol are specified by this initial placement and can be later modified. Maybe you will ask why it mentioned the structural. Let's go to the cancel edit, and we have here a structural one, which is floor structural. We can go with this one or with this one, but when you are going with the structure of this and you are creating a span direction, I suggest you to go with this floor structural. Let's have same thing with this, and let's just move it here, and let's go with it. As you can see, we will have a span direction, like it's span direction of one way slab. You see, we can make a two-way slab or one way. Okay, when I click on this, we have the same span direction, but let's go with this one. I am going with this, so we will have the same thing. Just keep in mind to change it to this type. I'm going to this section, and as you can see, I have to go to the fine detail level, and I can see something like this. Let's go to the second section, and let's see what we can see. You see what it appeared to happen? You see how it shows in this section? This is affected by the span direction. When I go to the level 1 and go to the edit boundary, when I change the span direction, we can go with the line or the pick lines. I'll go with the pick lines, click on here or here, it doesn't matter. When I pick on this or this, it doesn't matter. Just let's go to the section, and this one, the section 1 changed, and section 2 became like section 1. You see how it changed? So let me delete the section 2 and show you again what I mean by this. Maybe you got distracted by what I meant. Let me change it to this, and I'll cancel this. Yeah, you see what happened to the level section 1. When I go with the span direction and change it to the other side, you see that section 3, what happens to it? Yeah, that's how it changes. This is the span direction. You can go with the pick lines, or you can create a line if you want. You can go with the line. Let's create a line, and this is the line we have. You see? And let's go with the finish edit mode. Same thing happens. Or you can just have span direction like this. Maybe you have a span direction like this. And let's go to the section 1, and it shows like this. Okay, so I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.